Welcome to the Central Footwear Training Institute, Chennai. Cfti, the premier institute of its kind in the country, being in existence from July 1957. Cfti, being a premier institute in South India, offers a career-oriented, world-class training on footwear technology in the art of shoemaking with its own infrastructure support and location at site in heart of the Chennai city, Guindy, well connected to Alandur metro station, Guindy railway station, Guindy bus stop and bus stand. Cfti Chennai is equipped with world-class infrastructure on compact classrooms, modern lab, and machinery, CAD facilities, product design facilities, teaching by qualified faculty and industrial experts. Cfti also offers techno-collaboration, managerial consultancy for footwear and allied industries. Cfti Chennai provides training, consultancy, footwear testing, product development and common facility services on design development, pattern grading, shoe CAD works, cutting on dieless cutting machine, physical testing on footwear, footbeds and soles from PU pouring machine, and many more machinery from various departments of this institute, from designing, clicking, closing, lasting and finishing. We are not just an institute, but a comprehensive campus for a total career in footwear industry. A library with wide range of international footwear-related newspapers, footwear design magazines subscribed from world's leading distributors every year, leather footwear and management books, sophisticated conference hall, unique facility in hostel, training to set foot on a multi-million industry, preparing for the best in career, state-of-art equipments, international accredited courses, all under one roof, Central Footwear Training Institute. Chennai MSME Technology Development Centre, a prestigious institute under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India Society. The best known for footwear training, consultancy and common facility services, formerly known as CFTC, earned global recognition in tie-up with Leicester College of London, UK, empanelled under TCS Colombo Plan for training international participants. 5 long-term courses offered by Cfti to different levels of backgrounds are 2 years International Diploma in Footwear Design and Production, and 18 months postgraduate higher diploma in Footwear and Management Studies approved by Textile Institute, Manchester, UK. 1 year post-diploma in Footwear Technology. 1 year postgraduate diploma in Footwear Technology. 1 year certificate course in Footwear Technology. CFTI also offers short-term courses in designing and pattern cutting, shoe CAD, advanced shoe styling, shoe upper clicking, shoe upper closing, lasting, making and finishing, leather goods making, quality assurance and machine maintenance. The unique feature of CFTI is 100% placement till record. Well recognized by global leaders and top players in Indian leather footwear industry, CFTI reserves 22.5% seats and 100% exemption from tuition fees for SC/ST candidates in admissions. This institute conducts outreach programs like SHG through Office of DC MSME for SC/ST on leather goods making for the entrepreneur development throughout different parts of the country. In recent years, the institute has been associated with a footwear cluster at Salem and Erode under HRD Support to Artisans and has conducted many other training programs of HRD Placement Linked Skill Development Training Program primary level and HRD Skill Upgradation Training Program secondary level in various footwear companies. This institute is affiliated as a training partner with LSSC, Leather Sector Skill Council, and conducted skill development training under the scheme National Skill Certification and Monetary Reward Scheme STAR, funded by NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation. The core objective of this program is to encourage skill development for youth by providing monetary awards for successful completion of approved training programs. Also in association with LSSC, conducted employable training program under the scheme Placement Linked Skill Training Program for Unemployed Youth, funded by Tamil Nadu Skill Development Corporation, TNSDC, Government of Tamil Nadu, to facilitate the unemployed segment to develop the skill solutions with hands-on training by CFTI and place them at appropriate demand in the industry as per the requisite skilled manpower needed to sustain the envisioned growth of the leather, footwear, leather goods and leather garments industry and setting a foundation for the country to emerge as a global leader. CFTI conducts Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana PMKVY. Aiming to skill unemployed youth, this is the flagship and outcome-based skill training scheme of the new Ministry of Government of India, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, MSDE. The objective of the Skill Certification and Reward Scheme is to enable and mobilize a large number of Indian youth to take up outcome-based skill training to become employable and earn their livelihood. Creating footmarks in excellence. Creating footmarks in technology. Creating footmarks in quality. Creating footmarks in training. For registration and admissions, contact the Director, Central Footwear Training Institute, 65/1, GST Road, Guindy, Chennai, 600032. Phone 044 2250 1529. Fax 044 2250 0879. Email cfti@vsnl.net. Website www.cftichennai.in. Thank you.